Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to undo in Penpot. Alright, so to undo in Penpot, just basically use the standard keyboard shortcut, which is Control plus Z, okay, for both Windows and Linux, or Command plus Z if you're using Mac OS. Okay, so for example, I have here the FAQ page. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Delete. I'm going to press Control plus Z because I'm using Windows. There you go. That's how you undo. Now, if you want to redo, okay, just press Control plus Y or Control Shift plus Z. Okay? That's basically it. Another option is by going to the top left. Right here, we have the three dots. Now, just got to click on Edit. And here we have Undo and Redo option as well. Okay? Now, for critical steps, okay, like moving main components, consider manually saving or making a version before trying risky cuts or moves, okay, as browser history can be lost. So to do that, you can go ahead over at the top, okay, to check your history or auto saves. Now, if you want to manually save, okay, here we have the save version. If you want to manually save, click on three dots right here. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and save this one. I already did. Okay, I'm going to delete two. So click on three dots. We have here a file. Okay, you click on pin this version. Okay, so whenever you go ahead and go to history right here, you can just easily click on the three dots and just hit on restore. Restore, and it will be back. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you with the next one.